casting spells on yourself. Hello, this is one shot to the future. I'm so tired. I'm broke. I can't do this. How many times did you say these things today? You think you are just describing your reality. Wrong. You are creating it. The word abracadabra comes from Aramaic, meaning, I create as I speak. Your mouth is not just a hole for food. It is a tool for creation. Every time you speak, you are casting a spell on your own life. And most of you are casting curses on yourselves all day long. Your brain is a search engine. Let's look at the neuroscience. Your brain is like Google. It gives you exactly what you search for. If you say, why is my life so hard? Your brain's Reticular Activating System, RAS, starts searching for evidence. Result found: because you have no money, because you are lazy, because nobody likes you. Your brain proves you right. But if you change the question to, how can I make $1,000 extra this month? The search engine changes. Result found: sell your old stuff, freelance, learn this skill. The reality is the same, but the search query changed the result. Stop asking why me and start asking how. Delete words to delete problems. If you want to change your life, you must edit your dictionary. Delete the word can't. Replace it with how can I? Delete the word try. I'll try means I am preparing to fail. Yoda was right. Do or do not. There is no try. Rich people have a different vocabulary than poor people. They don't say it's impossible. They say it's a challenge. They don't say I spent money. They say I invested money. Change your words and your brain changes its chemistry. Speak it until you see it. Muhammad Ali said, I am the greatest, long before he was the greatest. He didn't wait for reality to change. He forced reality to catch up to his words. Don't wait until you are rich to talk like a winner. Talk like a winner and you will become rich. Your speech is your prophecy. Watch your mouth. It is loaded with live ammunition. Don't shoot yourself in the foot. In the next video, we will explore the engine of human behavior, dopamine, the molecule of more. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.